Hello, today we will see another application of microwave-based non-destructive testing. It is the inspection of floors, walls and ceilings made from concrete, and the inspection method is the ground penetration radar. The lower part of the microwave frequency region is used for ground penetration radar. According to the wording, this method was originally intended to search for hidden parts in the soil. But further applications presented themselves in civil engineering. So in the following, we will see the inspection of parts made from concrete, for example, for the distribution and damage of reinforcements. Special parts for the inspection are the floors, walls and ceilings. We will see two videos. The first one is a simple, more tutorial-oriented one. The second video shows a versatile instrument usable for various tasks. Already at this point, let me thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this video and see you next time. And now let's start with the first video.
Hi, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to show you how to collect quick and easy X-ray-like image using GPR. 3D data collection using the Structure Scan Mini isn't something that you're always going to do, but it can make a more complicated area much easier to interpret. To start, we're going to collect a number of lines in two different directions with this unit. So I'm going to go into collect, just like we always have, line my unit up, and we're ready to go. So after our data has been processed, we're given a plan view of the area that we've just scanned over. And now we can begin scrolling through our data, seeing what targets are on top of others. And this is one piece of information that GPR can give you that X-ray locating cannot. It's valuable depth information. And just using the cursors, we can begin scrolling through our data. And we see here that in the first few inches of the slab, there are no real targets of interest. But once we scan through enough, we see we're given our first diagonal line, which I know is a PT cable. Continuing down, we see our second PT cable underneath of the first. And then as we scroll through further, we see that some of our reinforcement is over top of reinforcement going in the other direction. All valuable information that you can add into your report or your survey information. So we see now that in a few minutes, we were able to get valuable information from our 3D survey. GPR can save you time, money, and a load of other things. Feel free to learn all you need to know about GPR from our website or our Facebook page, and contact us today.
And now the second video.
The Flex ground penetrating radar systems can help you locate rebar, conduit, post-tension cables, and other hidden dangers quickly and safely. Before cutting or drilling into concrete, performing a ground-penetrating radar scan can help to prevent costly structural strikes or injuries. If you are considering getting your own concrete inspection system, GSSI's Flex lineup has the right option for any user. Regardless of familiarity with the latest GPR technology, we have a system designed with automatic features that help the new user and the pro get right to work. Owning your own system gives you a lot more flexibility for scheduling, allowing you to keep the work moving instead of having your team wait around for another company to scan. For complex concrete inspections up to 60 inches deep using satellite antennas, the Flex NX system has the power to handle the most challenging tasks and offers maximum flexibility. The Flex LT has a lower entry cost for those who want to mark concrete slabs up to 30 inches deep. Both systems have the same dual radar technology. The primary difference between the models is their ability to connect wirelessly to satellite antennas. The Flex touchscreen is easy to use. It has intuitive, app-like navigation and quick scan capability. With just a few clicks, you can see where to avoid cutting. If you can use a smartphone, you can use a Flex system. In the slab-on-grade example, we have rebar dowels, 24 inches on center, and wire mesh. As you guide the system over these features at 90 degrees, targets are shown on screen in real time. As the data indicates, we can see a deeper subgrade target as we go beyond the slab. With two antennas, the system provides additional context that traditional scanners don't. The front antenna with red lasers is in the standard orientation for commercial GPR systems. The rear antenna with green lasers is rotated 90 degrees, allowing you to see what you've been missing. This gives you the full picture by introducing a one-pass cross-polarization design and can speed up the inspection process and help you find objects that can easily be missed with a single antenna. In this example, the standard antenna can clearly see rebar reinforcements. However, the addition of the cross-polarized antenna reveals a partially obscured post-tension cable. The 6 guide lasers, 3 for the normal antenna and 3 for the cross-polarized antenna, make it easy to mark objects with pinpoint accuracy. The combined cross-pole antennas allow you to create a three-dimensional view of what's buried in the concrete faster than ever. In the past, to get a three-dimensional view of the slab, you had to carry a large paper grid and painstakingly collect data along specific lines in 2 directions. Flex NX uses integrated positioning sensors that eliminate the need for paper grids and the lengthy steps required to build a three-dimensional image. Simply run Flex NX back and forth across the area of interest several times, and the dual antennas do the rest. A fast and straightforward way to grab a 3D image is extremely helpful in complex or unusual slabs to validate your markouts. It gives new users confidence and helps experts to accomplish the most challenging tasks. For days when a little more flexibility is required, the NX wireless antennas come in 2 sizes, the NX25 and the larger NX15. The satellite antennas are a perfect match for Flex NX when scanning hard-to-reach areas, walls, and ceilings. The 2.5 GHz NX25 can reach targets up to 30 inches in ideal conditions. Pair the 1.5 GHz NX15 to scan thicker slabs and beyond, and see up to 60 inches in ideal conditions. There's no wires to contend with. You can display results on both the Flex NX and your mobile device simultaneously. This can reduce operator fatigue and improve job safety, and it can help you comply with OSHA's policy of always requiring 3 points of contact for climbing safety. The satellite antennas connect wirelessly to interface with Flex NX. Without the need for cables or an internet connection, it just works. Screen mirroring allows you to connect to any device with a web browser, even if your phone or tablet is offline, and all operating systems are welcome. Connecting to another screen is easy. Just scan the QR code with your device's camera, and you're up and running. No app required. When connected to a smartphone, you can instantly share your findings as quick as texting a picture. Controlling Flex NX and its satellite antennas from the device of your choice has never been safer and easier. And if you find yourself at a secure site with Flex NX, the system allows you to quickly turn off all wireless connectivity with the push of a button. An extension pole can speed up inspections and reduce fatigue for large jobs. Flex uses a universal RAM mounting system, so you can easily remove and replace the handle with the extension pole or any custom handle you need. The bright, high-resolution 7-inch touchscreen is purpose-built for the job site and beyond. Like all our products, it's engineered to perform in severe environments, from 4 degrees to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. So you don't have to worry about the screen overheating or the reduced battery life issues in some systems requiring a dedicated personal mobile device. Flex NX and its satellite antennas are fully sealed and have an IP65 environmental rating, which means they're waterproof and dustproof. They're built for the real world and anything our engineers choose to throw at them. The Flex is available with 2 options for carrying your system: a convenient hard-shell backpack with room enough for your system and accessories, and a rugged wheeled Pelican case. Inside every kit are 2 lithium-ion, field-replaceable batteries, so you can work all day without interruptions. These industrial-grade batteries are commercially available and meet the latest airline safety regulations. The more affordable Flex LT is engineered for contractors who need an all-in-one system to do their own concrete marking and inspections. It has the same dual radar imaging antennas as in our most advanced systems, so it's ideal for concrete slabs where there is no need for satellite antennas or deep inspection. The Flex LT is very easy to use, and the system has no wireless or internet connectivity, so it can be used in secure government or military applications. It's fully self-contained and rugged, so there is no need for personal mobile devices to put it to work. The system comes with everything you need to go to work and uses the same handle accessories and software as the Flex NX model. Flex systems all come with a straightforward 2-year warranty, and we will provide you with free updates when we improve the software and add new features. And unlike some systems on the market, we believe you should be able to use your tools without any annual software subscriptions. When you buy a Flex, you own it, and updates are free. That's it. When you have questions from the field, just scan the QR code for instant access to tech support. Our technical trainers are ready to assist and answer questions in real time. Every new customer gets free access to GSSI Academy training, where we offer certified concrete inspection courses. Classes are held monthly at GSSI headquarters in New Hampshire. The program includes both classroom theory and hands-on training in our test facility. Here, you and your team can develop skills in a full range of concrete inspection scenarios, and lunch is always provided. Classes are offered regionally across North America several times yearly, and we offer custom on-site training. Customers also have access to our online training tutorials. Let us know if you want to join us for one of our classes. We'll even let you audit the courses for free to see if GPR is right for you. GSSI is the world leader in ground-penetrating radar systems, with over 50 years of experience in the concrete, utility, transportation, archaeology, and geology markets. Every system we make is designed, tested, and manufactured in Nashua, New Hampshire. Ground-penetrating radar is what we do. Please contact us if you have questions or want to see an on-site demonstration of Flex NX. We have a dedicated team of application experts in North America and a network of representatives around the world, all with deep expertise in ground-penetrating radar. We hope to hear from you soon. Happy scanning.